Hi, in this video we'll learn how to subtract the fractions. In order to subtract the fractions, we need to have a common denominator. These are unlike denominators. We want to make them the same. So think about this. What can I multiply in 8 to get a 2? Well, we cannot multiply 8 by a whole number to get a 2, right? So let's look at the other denominator. It's 2. What can I multiply in 2 to make it 8? To make it equal to 8? Well, I can multiply 2 by 4 in order to get 8 in the denominators. So I have 1/2. If I multiply that by 4, I can get a denominator of 8. So I'm going to multiply this by 4 over 4 because these are equivalent fractions, right? You can, if you multiply a fraction with the same top number and the same bottom number, you get another equivalent fraction for that. So 1 times 4 is 4, and then 2 times 4 is 8. So I can rewrite 1/2 as 4/8, or we could have done this directly. I can multiply this by 4 over 4 in order to get an 8 in the denominator. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. Then we have minus 2 over 8. We're going to keep that as it is. We've got the same denominator, so now I can subtract the fractions. So 4/8 minus 2/8 is going to be 2 over 8. Now I can reduce this fraction. 2 over 8 can be reduced if I divide the top and the bottom number by 2, because both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our final answer is going to be 1/4. So when you subtract 2/8 from 1/2, you get a 1/4. I hope you find this video helpful.